Did you know that 90% of people ignore most promotional emails they receive? But what if I told you there's a way to use AI to craft emails so irresistible that people not only open them, but also click and buy? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. How to leverage AI to automate, personalize, and boost the conversion rates of your email marketing campaigns. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks. Here, I share smart and practical ways to make money online and build a profitable digital business. If that sounds like something you're into, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and hit that like button. It really helps spread the word. All right, let's dive in because today's topic is packed with value. 1. Why use AI to write high-converting emails? If you've ever tried email marketing and didn't see results, don't worry. It's not you, it's your emails. The biggest mistake, writing generic messages that don't catch the reader's attention. AI changes the game by helping you create highly personalized, engaging, and persuasive emails. It analyzes your audience's preferences and behavior, making sure every email feels tailor-made. One of the hardest parts of email marketing is getting people to actually open your emails. AI can generate subject lines that spark curiosity and increase open rates. Plus, it crafts engaging content that leads to real action, whether that's making a purchase, signing up, or clicking through. And the best part? AI does all of this instantly. No more spending hours trying to write the perfect email. Now, even if you're not a professional copywriter, you can create killer email campaigns with just a few clicks. 2. Best AI tools for email marketing. Now, you might be wondering, okay, but which AI tools should I use to create high-converting email campaigns? With so many options out there, it's important to choose the ones that not only make your emails more effective, but also save you time and effort. Based on my experience, here are the best AI-powered tools that can take your email marketing to the next level. ChatGPT. This AI assistant is a game changer when it comes to writing persuasive email content. Whether you need a compelling subject line, a well-structured email body, or a variation for A/B testing, ChatGPT can generate highly engaging and tailored messages that resonate with your audience. Jasper AI. If you're looking for a dedicated copywriting AI, Jasper AI is one of the best. It comes with pre-made templates specifically designed for marketing emails, follow-up sequences, and promotional campaigns. This makes it super easy to craft professional and high-converting emails in minutes. Copy.ai, specializing in email content. Copy.ai is perfect for generating full email sequences and catchy subject lines that maximize open rates. If you ever struggle with writer's block, this tool will provide instant inspiration with AI-generated email drafts and marketing hooks. Klaviyo with AI. If you run an e-commerce business, Klaviyo is an excellent option. It offers AI-driven automation, predictive analytics, and personalized content suggestions to improve your email marketing performance. It helps you send the right message at the right time to maximize conversions. ActiveCampaign. This tool is ideal for businesses that want advanced email automation and AI-powered personalization. With robust segmentation features, ActiveCampaign ensures your emails reach the most relevant audience, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. Pro tip: no single tool fits all businesses. The best approach is to experiment with a few options and see which one aligns best with your email marketing goals. All the links for these tools are in the description, so feel free to check them out and pick the one that suits your needs best. 3. How to write a high-converting email with AI, step-by-step guide. Now that you know why AI is a game changer and which tools to use, let's break down exactly how to create an email that sells. AI makes email marketing easier, faster, and more effective. So let's use it to craft the perfect email step by step. Step 1. Craft an irresistible subject line. Boring subject lines get ignored. The first thing your audience sees is the subject line, so it needs to spark curiosity, urgency, or excitement. AI-powered tools can generate multiple options, helping you choose the one that grabs the most attention. Here are a few examples of high-converting subject lines. This email strategy made me dollars in just 1 week. Creates curiosity and promises a tangible result. Before you send your next email, read this. Builds urgency and intrigue. How I boosted my sales with one simple email trick. Sparks curiosity while hinting at a solution. Pro tip, use A/B testing. Send 2 different subject lines to a small segment of your email list. Whichever one performs better, use it for the rest of your audience. AI tools can automate this testing for you. Step 2. Write an engaging opening. The first few lines of your email determine whether people keep reading or not. Forget the generic, "Hi, hope you're doing well." That doesn't hook anyone. Instead, start with a compelling question, a bold statement, or a relatable problem. AI can help you craft an engaging hook that immediately captures attention. Here are 2 great examples of AI-generated openings. Have you ever sent an email campaign and heard nothing? I used to struggle with that too, until I discovered this secret. This taps into a common frustration and hints at a solution. Imagine if every email you sent turned into real sales. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's 100% possible. This excites the reader by painting a desirable scenario. Your goal is to make your audience feel like they must keep reading to find out what comes next. Step 3. Structure a persuasive email. Body. The body of your email should follow a proven formula. Problem plus solution plus benefit plus social proof. Problem. Start by addressing a pain point your audience struggles with. Most people send boring, generic emails that no one wants to read, and then wonder why they get 0 replies. Solution: introduce AI as the game-changing fix. But what if you could create engaging, high-converting emails in minutes using AI? Benefit: show what they'll gain by using AI-powered email marketing. With this method, you can triple your email conversions while spending less time writing. Social proof: if you have testimonials, success stories, or data, add them. Thousands of business owners are already using AI-driven email marketing to boost their revenue. The best part? You can do it too, with just a few clicks. This structure ensures that your email is clear, persuasive, and results-driven. AI tools can help refine each section based on your audience's preferences. Step 4. Add a strong call to action. CTA. Your CTA is what turns an email into conversions. It should be clear, direct, and action-driven. Tell the reader exactly what to do next. Click here now to see how this AI strategy can grow your business. Try this AI tool for free and start increasing your email sales today. Pro tip: place your CTA twice in the email, once in the middle and again at the end. This increases the chances of getting clicks and conversions. By following these AI-powered steps, you'll be able to craft high-converting emails effortlessly. Want to see these strategies in action? Keep watching, because next, I'll show you a live demo of AI writing an email from scratch. 4. Automate everything to save time and sell on autopilot. The real magic of AI in email marketing: automation. Instead of manually sending emails, hoping your audience responds, and constantly following up, AI-powered tools allow you to set up smart sequences that run on autopilot, saving you time while boosting conversions. Platforms like Klaviyo, ActiveCampaign, and ConvertKit make it easy to automate the entire email marketing process. These tools let you create email sequences that nurture leads, build relationships, and drive sales, all without you lifting a finger. Once you set them up, they work for you 24/7, ensuring your audience receives the right message at the right time. Here are a few high-impact automated email campaigns you should be using. Welcome emails. The first email your subscriber receives is crucial. With AI, you can personalize the introduction, share your brand story, and instantly create a connection. A well-crafted welcome email sets the tone for the relationship and increases engagement from the start. Nurture sequences. Not everyone is ready to buy right away. AI-driven nurture sequences send valuable content, insights, and case studies to warm up leads before presenting an offer. This builds trust and keeps your brand top of mind until the timing is right. Cart abandonment emails. Did you know that around 70% of online shoppers abandon their carts before completing a purchase? Automated cart abandonment emails remind potential buyers about their pending orders, offer incentives like a small discount or free shipping, and create urgency to encourage them to finalize their purchase. Personalized offers. AI can analyze user behavior and automatically suggest customized discounts or product recommendations. Whether it's a birthday discount, a special deal based on past purchases, or a limited time offer, AI ensures each subscriber gets relevant and compelling messages tailored to their interests. Now, imagine setting everything up once and having AI handle the heavy lifting 24/7 without interruptions. That's the true power of automation. With AI optimizing your email sequences, you can focus on growing your business while your emails work in the background, converting leads into customers on autopilot. If you want an even more detailed step-by-step guide with proven strategies to start your digital business and make your first profits, download our exclusive guide. Check out the pinned comment below. So, there you have it. Now you know how to use AI to create highly effective email campaigns that actually convert. Now tell me in the comments, have you ever used AI to write emails? Which tool are you excited to try first? And of course, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and smash that like button because every week I drop more tips to help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's get that digital profit.